Hi guys, in this video I will explain how to set up your VS Code for Python development. I will start with installing Python followed by setting up our VS Code. So firstly we need to download the Python package and you can download it from the python.org downloads and you can choose according to your OS. So mine is Windows. So I will just go to the Windows section and here I'm getting two options. One is the Windows embedded package and another one is the Windows installer. So you can download either. So I'm just downloading the installer and I will just install it. Now just close it and you can cross check your installed Python version. So for that the command is python hyphen version. Now Python has installed and it is giving me 3.9.6. This is the same version I have downloaded. And just now we will set up our VS Code. For Python development in VS Code we need a Python extension, so we will just download it from the marketplace and it is we can download it from here. Just type Python and it will give you a lot of suggestion, so you need to just install the first one. I will just install it. Now it has installed and now I will just close it. And what we have to do here, we need to select the Python interpreter. And how we can select the Python interpreter? Just pressing Shift Control plus P, and now it is showing us a lot of suggestions. And so we will just use the first one, the Python select interpreter. After clicking on it, so it will just give us a results here, and it is showing us the Python versions. So means we, and so our version is 3.9.6 which we have just installed, and now we will just select it and our VS Code is uh, ready for Python development. So you can execute your Python program here now. Thanks for watching.